is trip number 2, leaving Sydney and heading down to Tasmania for 7 weeks. Jeff's not with me. He will be flying into Melbourne and I'll be picking him up on Saturday. And we're just making our way down the south coast of New South Wales. That's it for now. I'll check in with you later. But day 1, on our way to Tassie. We've arrived in, I don't know where we are actually. We've been driving for about 450 k's and we're parked up here, and true to its image, there's 1,000 flies here. They're going to drive me nuts. Anyway, let's go have a look down at the beach. Day 3, and we've just arrived at Lake Wellington on the very bottom edge, rounding the back end of Victoria, heading to Melbourne. We've been doing a lot of driving over the last 48 hours, making our way to Melbourne on Saturday because we have to pick up Jeff, who is flying in. Then we get on the Spirit of Adventure and do a sailing across to Tasmania, which is going to take a long time, probably 12-13 hours, something like that. It's an overnight sailing. Yeah, so far so good. We're just coming into the Yarra Valley, Victoria. Joe and Brad are in front of us. This is a really pretty place. So we're heading towards a place called Hillsville, and we're going to try and stop in there tonight to find some free camping, and still making our way down into Melbourne to pick up Jeff tomorrow morning. Where are we again? No, Toogooley? Tulangi.
So just arrived in Melbourne. Nice early flight this morning, and it's a bit average weather-wise, but that's alright. Following Joe and Brad, they're actually right in front of us. We're not able to see it at the moment.
What a wonderful day to do a sailing across the Bass Strait. Customs here. Do you have any oranges? Our driver. And we're right at the front.
Cheers. Big ears. They actually really
Cheers.
sit nice. Wait, are you looking at that way or that way?
That way. We're on the move. Happy holidays, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What do those things are, Ray? They'll plug into the boat. They're like they must be some battery charges or something.
Oh, wow.
Charge your bike up quick.